adding that lovely tuna inside of it. They give it that lovely stir. Make sure it's fine and lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Today we're going to show you all you can simple fry off sweet corn and tuna with some veg at home. So basically, sweet corn, 2 cans of tuna. This is some fresh thyme, spring onion, peppers, and tomato, and white onion. Beautiful recipe. And I'm going to show you how you can cook off everything. I did a video before, many occasion. I have it on a YouTube channel, quite a few of them, but sometimes I put different stuff. So we're going to show you how to do this one today. You can serve it with pasta, you can have it with jacket potato, or whatever you like, sandwich, you can have it with. So I'm going to show you how you can do this one at home, guys. Enjoy the recipe. Front pan, medium size heat. I got my stove about 2 minutes on and it packed, so basically I'm gonna pop some olive oil inside of it like this. Roughly 2 tablespoons. And then basically that beautiful season can go in now. Alright? So here it is. Let's pop everything in now. Really nice. So let's fry up this one up about a nice good 4 to 5 minutes until the veg cook. Lovely and nice, guys. Looking so lovely and nice. Little bit of pepper, coarse pepper. Adding that lovely tuna inside of it. 2 tins of tuna. Pinch of paprika. Pinch of all-purpose season. Sweet corn. This is some frozen sweet corn. Ketchup. 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Give it a lovely stir. Beautiful and nice. And all you're gonna do, simple. So you give it a lovely stir, make sure it's fine and lovely and nice. Cover it for another probably 4 to 5 minutes, and that's it. Nice and lovely. So just take a check on it. Wow, look at that. That's beautiful. Really nice. As you can see, So when you're cooking, you don't need to rush when you are cooking. Take a little time and simple cook your food. So as you can see, this is finished now. So basically we're gonna share it out and make you guys enjoy the recipe, alright? Lovely and nice. Nice and lovely. So basically I did cook some pasta early. Now I'm just gonna simple share it up just like this, guys. Beautiful and nice. That's exactly where Chef Ricardo is all about with this nice, lovely, lovely pasta and tuna. So enjoy the recipe and see you next time.